Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmah Aprillia Herdien. I am from Win Sharif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. In this video, I will explain my opinion about the importance of science education for early childhood. Do you know what science education is? Science education is the teaching and learning of science to non-scientists, such as school children, students, or adults in the public. And science is knowledge of things through learning and proof, or knowledge that cover a general truth from natural laws to occur. For example, obtained and proven through the scientific method. Do you understand the importance of science education for early childhood? Should we prioritize science education from early age? Science education is important for early childhood. Science education can be a tool to stimulate various aspects of children's development from an early age. So, why is science education is important for early childhood? Many benefits can be obtained if children are introduced to science from an early age. There are several reasons why science education is important for early childhood. Science education can make children have the ability to solve a problem. The introduction of science education from an early age can train children's ability to solve the problems they face. Through the scientific process, they can connect the causes and effects of a treatment so that they train children to think logically. With science education, children can have the attitude and way of thinking that is owned by a scientist, namely thinking systematically and based on several facts. Science as a process consists of the skills and attitude possessed by scientists to produce a scientific product. The skills include observing, measuring, interpreting, classifying, using tools and materials, and communicating findings. Science education can also train children to use their five senses to recognize various symptoms of objects and phenomena of events. Children are trained to see, touch, smell, taste, and hear. The more the involvement of the sense in learning, the more children understand what is being learned. Children gain new knowledge from their senses with various objects around them. The knowledge gained will be useful as capital for further thinking. Science education can also provide a basic foundation in scientific concepts and scientific thinking for children. Even the simple activities can introduce children to scientific concepts and stimulate scientific thinking. By encouraging and directing children's natural curiosity and familiarizing them with basic scientific vocabulary. In conclusion, science education is important for early childhood because it can train children's ability to solve problems, train children to have the attitude and ways of thinking that are owned by a scientist, namely to thinking systematically and based on several facts. Train children to use their five senses to recognize various symptoms of objects and phenomena of events, and provide a basic foundation in scientific concepts and scientific thinking for children. Enough of my opinion about the importance of science education for early childhood. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.